God, you guys treat me like one every time. Baby, I love you. What in the hell is going on right now, bro? I am definitely confused.
What happened was, last week, 3 young kids go in there and grab the tea, the vodka and seltzer tea.
Okay.
All right? And they steal it, and they walk and they run. Well, they did it last week again. And I went out to the park and I said, don't come back again. That was the first time I've ever seen them. So there was sheriffs parked out here while this was going on.
Oh.
I went over there and I told the sheriff's department, I said, they just stole some beer.
That was tonight or?
That was last week.
Gotcha.
So the sheriffs went after them and caught them, took them to their parents' house and brought the beer back that they stole.
Okay.
That was last week. Well, tonight, one of them came in by himself, walked back here and did the same thing, the same routine, grabbed a 12-pack or whatever, and started walking over here to the camera house, acting like he was on the phone. I recognized him and I stood right by the door. I told him, bro, put the case down, put the beer down. You know you're not old enough to drink. And I said, as a matter of fact, you tried stealing beer last week. And he says, I'm not leaving here without. And I said, bro, I can even smell the alcohol in you.
So he was already drunk?
Yes. So he's over here. He tries to walk by me. I grabbed the case and threw it on the floor. He falls to the floor. His sister evidently was with him. I did not know. She comes, grabs the case, and starts running. He gets up, punches me in the nose.
In some states, assaulting an
Punching me in the nose. So when I was a kid, we used to do this, man. We used to definitely go in there and grab cases of beer and run out of the stores. And you have to remember, this is 20 some odd years ago. There wasn't cameras. There wasn't as near as much security as there is today. But yeah, this is definitely a thing. We used to also take it and put it down our pants and steal Mad Dog 2020 or friggin' what's that other Strawberry Hill, Boone's Farm. Oh my God, bro. That stuff's so terrible. But yeah, when you're young like that, nobody's going to buy it for you. So you steal it. Let's see what happens to them.
employee in the commission of a theft can result in a strong-armed robbery charge,
And that's a big part of it too right there, isn't it? Because you're just trying to get this little bit of alcohol and now you're willing to punch this dude in the face. Like, I never went that far. If they tried to stop me, if they tried to put their hands on me, I'll probably get out of there. But as far as punching somebody in the face to get away, I wasn't going to carry it that far. It's like, I'm doing something wrong. Y'all caught me. If I can run, I'm going to run. But if I can't run and you got me, you got me. That's probably not true in all cases. But, you know, here we are.
on the circumstances.
There's a customer out here watching everything. He's filming everything. Punches me in the nose. I fall back. I'm 68 years old.
Damn, you look good for 68, bruh.
I didn't expect him to hit me either.
Right.
So he starts running. That was tonight. I'm sitting in my car about 9 o'clock, smoking a cigarette, talking to my girlfriend, telling her what had just happened. While I'm on the phone with her, that young girl walked up with her brother, who's about 6 feet. He's wearing a mask, shirtless. She walks in, and I told her, get off the property. She walks in, boom, grabs another 12-pack, runs out. He stays around, starts flashing his ass, and goes away. Then about when I called you guys just now, about 10 minutes ago, he comes up with a bat, starts swinging it, threatening, and he goes outside and breaks one of our pumps.
So dude already said that he had this problem out of these kids earlier, right? Like, didn't he say that in the very beginning, that he took the beer back? It was the same kids. I'm interested to know what the parents are doing. Like, what do you think the parents are doing, bro? If they just did this, they took him home to the parents, they must not have had no consequences, right? I mean, you're right back doing it again a couple days later. There wasn't no consequence. They shouldn't have been allowed out of the house, you know what I'm saying?
By that time, I had already locked the door.
Right.
Okay? He breaks our pump. Okay. The sheriff's department know who they are because they went to their house last week.
Okay.
Did you get the information from the sheriff's?
Did you get a case from the sheriff's by chance?
No.
No?
There was a call to this location. If you look on the sheriff's log and they'll see this location, you can pull it up. But yeah, they were here last week.
Okay.
And they know who they are. They went to their houses.
I'll see if I can get a hold of the county and get some information about who they are.
Officers get the address of the suspect and surprise him at his house. However, the suspect's dad is also there, resulting in a surprising twist.
Yeah, please go inside.
Baby, I didn't do shit.
Hey, stop. Hey.
No!
Stop.
This is your fault!
Stop. Hey.
I didn't do nothing. All I got is my dad. Please, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Dad, hey, Dad, promise me you won't get mad at her for giving me your number. Give her your number. Give her everything.
Ezekiel, do you want to get in more trouble than you're in?
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, so act like you did nothing.
Then why are you guys treating me like I'm a criminal?
Why were you running away like you're a
Because
criminal?
you guys treat me like one every time. Baby, I love you.
What in the hell is going on right now, bro? I am definitely confused. Let's see.
I'm going to talk to you in a second.
I trust him. Look at me. Why won't you look at me? Brother, please.
I'm going to come talk to
Please,
you, okay?
no, please.
I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to run the window. I'm going to talk to you.
No, don't, please. Bro.
Hey, Ezekiel, okay? I'm off the couch to the Albuquerque Police Department, okay? I'm going to read you something, then we're going to have a chat, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. And then you say can't only use against you in court. Do you understand your rights?
What rights?
The ones I just read you.
What rights?
The ones I just read you.
What rights?
You let her know you don't understand?
That wasn't right.
Those are your rights.
That's not right.
Those are your rights.
Those aren't the constitutional rights.
Those are your Miranda rights.
Those aren't Miranda or constitutional rights, so try again.
Alright. Would you go if I let him talk to his dad real quick? Says he'll calm down. Yeah, okay. Hey, stop!
I didn't do nothing!
You need to stop. I'm not gonna let you touch your dad if you keep acting like this.
Where am I?
Hey,
Where am I?
stop!
Where am I?
You need to chill. He might be pretending to have a stroke, but he's sitting inside for you. What do you do? I don't know. He's shaking and pretending to have a stroke. You wanna unroll the window? Yeah. He was just pretending to have a stroke. Oh.
Everything's fine.
Probably not good to pretend. Like, I mean, check on the kid, you know what I'm saying? That's a pretty scary situation for some people to be in. Like, check on him, make sure he's okay. But at the same time, there's consequences for your action, buddy. Like, you punch this dude in the face, you think you can just come get some beer. Is he on other drugs? Y'all think he's on something else, man? Because, like, where am I? Is that drunk or is that, I don't know, man. Poor kids.
We're just drinking, that's all. You're just drinking. You gotta stop the drinking.
I don't give a
Okay, I'll see you in the morning. All right. I'm sorry. Look. Yes, you're on probation, but we're gonna take care of that, okay?
I got warned if I...
I know. It's fine. It's fine.
Get it.
I do. I understand everything that's
No, I
happening.
got warned.
These guys are our friends. How many times have I told you? We are on the side of cops. We don't go against cops. These guys are our friends. We're Republican, not Democrat.
I know.
So stop.
These guys are our friends. We're Republican, not Democrat.
You're fine. I called the lawyer. It's all set. Okay, Collins. I got it. Okay, I got it. They're going to put you in detox. Bro. That's where you're going. You're going to go to detox, and I'll request them to put you in medical, dude, okay? Because you need that.
You can request that, right?
I can do that. Please, medical.
I can even ask for psych real quick.
Please. He's got schizo. He drinks.
You don't have to do that. We'll put you in the psych part to keep you safe, okay?
He's bullshitting with that. Stop. Okay, let's roll up the window. He's fine. I love you.
So Pops knows he's okay, right? Pops like, he's fine. This must be something this kid does on a regular basis. Like, it looks to me like the dad is expecting this of his kid, right? Right or wrong? What do y'all think, man? I feel like he's expecting this. This is usual behavior. And it's probably because of it's okay, buddy. It's okay. I'll take care of this. I love you. It's okay, buddy. Instead of like, tighten the up. Like, right or wrong? I mean, y'all tell me, bro. I think we need consequences. I think kids are acting like this because we're soft. We've gotten soft on our children, and it's going to make a soft generation of leaders whenever they grow up. You know what I mean? I'm truly worried about what's going on with these kids and the drugs and stuff, man. This channel's based around addiction. You know, that's just what it is. If you look back on the older videos, that's kind of what it's about. Is this alcohol addiction? This is a very young person to be this drunk acting this way. Also, it's like the games and stuff that they play that don't let them go out and interact with people where they're, you know, crammed up in this room talking to people on a headset that they can talk to any way they want to with no consequence, right? I don't know, man. I feel like that's not the real world. And when they're pushed out into the real world, they're going to have trouble. That's scary.
I don't have a I'm pressing my car.
Officers get ready to shackle the suspect's feet since he won't calm down.
You guys ready? Yep. So you're gonna be getting to take care of that. I'll get it.
They're gonna hog time now.
Left arm, you just kind of jump in wherever you need to go for knee. Ready? Zeke, let's take you back out so you can put this on. Face the vehicle first. Thank you.
You're just gonna shackle him, you're gonna hog time.
Come talk to me, please.
All right, now, man. Oop, that's fine. You can stay underneath.
Can you at least give me a chance when it's done? Can you at least hug me when I'm tied up, please?
I mean, all that right there shows you this is still a boy. He is still a young boy. Like, he's not learning to become a man yet. I don't know how old he is, but like all that right there, man, that's fear. He's scared to death. But there's obviously other things going on, man. He's not growing up. Maybe this will teach him something, dude, because it ain't nothing like the back of that cop car or the inside of that cold jail cell to make you realize the error of your ways. Trust me.
I think this is going to be really uncomfortable.
Let her go.
Down.
Let a female go. Y'all 3 men can do it. Let her go. Tell her to let go.
She's reaching. Hey. Zeke, it's me. She let go.
Then back up.
That's enough, Zeke. Zeke, what are you doing?
Have him move forward or I don't get up.
Zeke, she's gone.
You grab my foot, I cross. Try again, bud. Come on, aerodynamics. What are you
We said we were.
All right. What did I ask?
You work with me, I work with you. But if you're not gonna work with me,
Look at me.
I'm looking at your eyes.
Stop pulling it up like I'm some criminal.
You're the one that's sitting down.
He's more.
You're making it uncomfortable for
Sit
yourself.
back down the way you were. I trust you more the way you were.
Well, if I go back on my knees,
If you go back down on your knees, I will calm down.
Zeke, I'm looking at you. I need you to be on your
Tell him
knees.
to let go, and I will let you hold my.
That's enough. We're not playing that game
All
anymore.
right, fine.
So you need to get on your knees.
Cool.
You get on your
Hey,
knees.
but you're on your knees. You gotta.
Okay, now I'm up.
And fail. It's the Matrix. You're right. No, do not listen to him.
Good. Yep. Have a seat. Come on. Have a seat. You need to sit down.
Quick question. Drop a comment. What y'all think this kid watches online? What type of content does he watch online? Is he a gamer? Does he watch crazy content? Like, what makes him behave this way, man? Is that something to do with it or not? Let me know what y'all think.
Straight away. Oh, let's go. There you go, bud.
Got it. Hey, key 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 6, 2, 1.
I got a swing. I got this bitch on my big ass ding-a-ling.
Oh, yeah. That place sucks. Oh.
Loosen these.
Oh, that right there, bro. Oh, that's horrible. That's a horrible sight.
Come on, bitch. What are you doing?
Oh, it's so cold.
Well, I gotta whip you like I'm a. What the fuck you want?
Sit down. Don't talk to me like that.
What the fuck you do? Get the fuck out of my face, white boy.
I'm just gonna put him in a hole.
Get the fuck out of here, ho.
100%. Cool.
I'll fucking headbutt the fuck out of you.
That's cool.
I'll headbutt the out of you.
Ezekiel was charged with robbery, criminal damage over $1,000, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, battery on a peace officer, and contributing delinquency of a minor. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
So that's terrible, man. That's terrible. These young kids, I mean, dude, I'm gonna tell you the truth. That's the same type of stuff I did when I was young. I was a thief. I went out stealing. I got running around with the wrong crowd that taught me how to steal. I had no idea how to do that till I started running around with a bunch of punk kids that made me understand that that was something that could be done. And then it was easy come. Like, go into a store, pick out what you want, take it out. Now you're home or you're wherever with whatever you wanted that you didn't have the money to get. That's an easy thing to fall into. Once you get away with it 2 or 3 times, now you're going to do it, right? Definitely not a way to go, though. Got me in a lot of trouble. Got me in a lot of jail cells. Got me in a lot of time of my life that was wasted doing that type of stuff. Yeah, these videos are interesting to me for several reasons, man. I like to see the growth of myself and try to think about how I was thinking back then, for the simple fact that I'm dealing with younger kids right now in my life, and I'm trying to figure out how to discipline. And again, every situation takes a different approach, right? Because my situation is based on everything that's in my situation. And I'm just doing this research, trying to look into it, man, get a little bit of insight from what other people see. That's why I'm interested in your comments. I want to know what you guys see in this video that I don't. And the last few sets of comments, y'all have pointed out things that I didn't see or notice. So let's go in here and check these comments out real quick and see what's going on with this one. Tough guy punched an old man while stealing beer, but cries like a baby and says he didn't do nothing wrong when arrested. Like, no accountability, no responsibility, no respect, entitled brat. Like, bro said we are Republican, not Democrat. That's funny. I said that too. Like, tough guy with the bat, but turns into a crying 16-year-old girl when the cuffs go on, big baby. Like, as soon as the dad started talking to him like a baby and apologizing, the cause of the problem became as clear as day. Yes, thank you very much. This is what I'm looking for. This right here, these insights, 78 replies to that. The dad is the reason. I doubt this guy is the real dad. Maybe he's not. I don't know. That boy acted like that was his dad, bro. That boy acted like that was his dad. He said it's all he's got is his dad, so evidently the mom's either out of the picture or deceased, so that's why the dad goes easy on him. I know, but look where it's getting him, man. He doesn't need that. He doesn't need that right now. He needs some discipline. Agreed. Why is the father apologizing to the son for the son's behavior and action? Weak men make hard times. I've heard that a million times, bro. I've heard that a million times. So it is here. Like, I mean, I feel like a lot of this is kind of the same way that I think, dude. It's a back to discipline. Back to discipline. We are Republicans. It's funny. We are Republicans, not Democrats, the terrible father said. Never seen a man be so in love with his dad in my life. Like, one cool thing about these videos, man, if you don't know who this is Midwest Safety. Check these guys out. They have an awesome channel full of stuff like that. And just like that guy was seeing in that comment right there, the little quips and the graphics and things that they show onto the screen make it a little bit funnier and different than other channels. I really like this channel. Definitely want to let you know where the video comes from. So if you enjoy this type of content, man, drop a comment. Let me know. Again, this is like a learning process for me that I'm going through here and trying to figure out how to move forward for the stuff that's going on in my life. So that's kind of why I make these videos too, man. And, you know, I take you all along for the ride because your insight is cool for me to go through in the comments and figure out what people think and you know, who can offer a solution to some of the issues that I hope I don't see. That's what I'm trying to cut off, is things getting to this point right here. And I hope I earn your subscription. So if I did, smash that subscribe button, dude. Hit that like button, drop a comment. Y'all know what it is, man. If you're here on YouTube, you know how to help the channel out if you want to help the channel out. So I appreciate you. Till next time, don't sweat the petty things, pet the sweaty things.